This tutorial is designed to explain the steps you will follow to set up your Nelnet Campus Commerce payment plan. The Nelnet Campus Commerce payment plan link is located on your school's website. Please visit www.mycollegepaymentplan.com to find step-by-step instructions on how to locate the payment plan link on your school's website. Before you begin, make sure to temporarily disable your pop-up blockers. On Internet Explorer, you can do this by selecting Tools, then Internet Options. From the Privacy tab, uncheck the pop-up blockers box. Setting up a payment plan. If you are responsible for tuition, click on Set up a payment plan, then choose your term and click Begin. From there, you will be taken to the contact information portion of the sign-up process. Complete any required fields on this page. Be sure to review your demographic information and edit if necessary. Then click on Next. If the student information is not automatically pulled over from your student account, click on Add Student. Then enter the requested information and save. There should only be one student per payment plan. If it asks you to add additional students, please click Next at the bottom of the page. You will need to fill out one agreement per student. You are now on the Amount Due page. If the expense box is not pre-filled, enter and calculate your expenses. Click Next at the bottom of the page. Plan Options. You are now on the Payment Plan Options screen. From the list, select the option that best fits your needs. If only one plan is displayed, select it by clicking the radio button on the left of that option. After you have chosen the plan that best suits you, please click Next. A notification will pop up regarding the non-refundable enrollment fee. Please read the whole notification. Payment details. Next, you'll enter your primary financial account for payments. Choose the payment method that is best for you by selecting the drop-down box next to Pay Using and select Add Bank Account or Add Credit Card. If you select Add Bank Account, payments will process directly from your bank account. Similarly, if you select Add Credit Card, payments will process from your credit or debit card you provide. Please note, if you choose a credit or debit card as your form of payment, an additional fee may be charged to use this option. There is no additional fee for using your bank account. If the account holder is someone other than yourself, please add this person as an authorized party on the payment plan. For bank accounts, enter account holder name, bank name, choose checking or savings, routing number, and account number. Be careful when entering your account information so that it is accurate. For credit or debit cards, enter account holder name, card number, and expiration date. Below, please verify your billing address is correct. If everything is correct, please click Save. On this next screen, you will be able to verify all of your information is correct. If everything is correct, please click Next. On the Payment Schedule screen, you will be able to see all of your future scheduled payments along with the payment amount. Your payments will be automatically processed each month from the account you provide. If your payment due date falls on a weekend or bank holiday, it will be processed on the next business day. Review and authorize. Take a few minutes to review all of the information for accuracy. It is important that you review the terms and conditions prior to submitting your payment plan. If anything needs to be updated, use the progress tracker at the top of the page to go back and make corrections or changes. Once you have verified all the information is accurate, agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the Authorize button. This button is located at the top of the page as well as one at the bottom. Submitting your payment. After selecting the Authorize button, Nelnet Campus Commerce will begin to process your down payment and/or enrollment fee, if applicable. Nelnet Campus Commerce cannot stop the down payment and/or enrollment fee from processing. Nelnet Campus Commerce is also unable to change the bank account or credit card that will be used for the down payment. If you have questions or concerns, please stop and call Nelnet Campus Commerce at 800-609-8056 for assistance. After submitting your payment, you will receive an immediate confirmation/agreement number. Nelnet Campus Commerce will also send you this immediate confirmation via email. Please look for the confirmation email after submitting. If you would like to view your payment plan information, click on View Details to view your schedule, remaining amount due, and further details on your plan. Thanks for viewing.